Now the question is, consider the circuit shown in the figure. He gave some figure, he gave a transformer and all, he gave a transformer and all. For maximum power transfer to the load, I mean for maximum power transfer from source to load, he has the meaning that is for maximum power transfer to the load, from that means from source to load. In order to have maximum power transfer, the primary and secondary turns ratio must be. The primary and secondary turns ratio must be, right? Now, generally, for having maximum power transfer, we have a general condition, that is the Thevenin's resistance must be equal to the load resistance. Generally, we know that, right? For maximum power transfer, we know that the Thevenin's resistance must be equal to the load resistance. Then in this condition only, during this condition only, maximum power transfer will occur. This is the condition we all know, right? Now applying the same here, we need to bring this here so that we will get the desired condition. So we need to transform the resistance from primary to secondary, or we can transform this to here, I mean secondary to primary, right? Let K is transformation ratio. Now, in order to transform from primary to secondary, in order to transform a resistance from primary to secondary, we will do K square, I mean that particular resistance into K square. This is generally N2 by N1, right? That is secondary to the primary, right? 100 K square is equal to, after transforming, that should be equal to the load resistance, which is 25, right? K square is equal to 25 by 100. K is equal to 1 by 4. Sorry, root over 1 by 4. That is K is equal to root over 1 by 4, which is K equal to 1 by 2, right? So we did nothing here. We just know the concept, that is for having maximum power transfer from source to load, the Thevenin resistance must be equal to the load resistance. So in order to have that equivalent condition, we just transformed this particular resistance to the secondary, right? We just transformed, or you can, either way you can do, or you can transform this secondary into primary, right? Secondary resistance into primary. For that you will do 25 by K square is equal to 100, right? After transforming, the resistance should be equal to the other resistance. This is the condition we write. After simplifying, we got K equal to 1 by 2. But this is N2 by N1. He asked the primary to secondary turns ratio. Here we got secondary to primary. So primary to secondary now will become 2:1. Or in the simple way, this can be done as, he will give two resistance, right? This can be simply done as root over primary resistance divided by root over secondary resistance. It becomes root of 100, 10, root over 25, 5. So it becomes 2:1. Simply this can be done in this way also. But the actual concept is doing in this way. If you want a shortcut, this can be done in this way. This is the way of solving a transformer along with a circuit related, right? We related a transformer circuit with maximum power transfer condition, right? Thank you.
Can anybody out there hear me?